Hey guys, so today we're going to take it back to basics and talk about a topic that I think is really important and often kind of overlooked, and we're going to talk about cuticle care. So it's honestly really simple, easy, and cheap to keep your cuticles in check, whether you do your nails or you don't do your nails. Your skin is really important. If you're anything like me, you know, it's always hard to overcome the cuticle picking, but I think I finally got it down. And you know, we take good care of the skin on our face, and I think we should take good care of the skin on our hands as well. So pretty much, you might not like this, but I'm going to tell you to put down the e-file, at least for a little while, if your cuticles are in desperate need of help, if they're really sore. That's only going to make it worse. Give yourself at least a couple of days break to let your skin heal, and I'm going to tell you what I think I would do if I were you and I had hurt cuticles. First, we're going to talk about that. So, first things first. This is the lotion I've been using. It's just like Walmart brand. It's for sensitive skin. It has no scent. It's really nice. It just soaks right into the skin. So I use this like a lot of times a day, because if you think about it, you moisturize your face after you wash your face in the morning and in the night, but you wash your hands way more times than you wash your face. So you should always like keep a lotion handy so you can put some on after you wash your hands. Preferably something unscented if you have sensitive skin and hurt cuticles, because that just like makes a lot of sense, you know. Also, if you're constantly washing dishes, I definitely recommend using dishwashing gloves. That's something that I do. I don't know, I just don't like exposing my hands to like super hot water if I don't have to. So that's another tip for you. Okay, so say your cuticles are hurt. Say they're peeling, you hurt them with the e-file. What I'm going to recommend is definitely, you probably already have this stuff, which is great. So it's easy, cheap, you know, even if you don't have this, get yourself a tub of Vaseline. This is the best thing, the best skin healing ointment. Literally, don't overlook its powers. Like, I'm not even kidding you. So once I started implementing this, it really made such a difference. I right now like to apply this like definitely before bed, really rub it in, and also like if you can put a little bit on in the morning too, because the health of your skin on your cuticles is going to depend on how much you moisturize. And I mean, everyone has varying degrees of dry skin, so that's going to depend on how many times a day you want to moisturize. So get yourself this, okay? Go to Walgreens, go to Rite Aid, go to CVS, go to Walmart, go wherever and get this, okay? It's going to last you forever, and it's going to save your life. So, still saying that your cuticles are sore, get yourself some Band-Aids, which you probably already have too, and some Neosporin antiseptic, antibiotic, whatever, ointment. This is from the Dollar Tree, so you can get it at the Dollar Tree. So say you have a really bad finger, put some of this on and put a Band-Aid on and try to leave it for as long as possible. Don't leave it on like a gross amount of time, but like, you know, use your discretion. And also you can do this trick like before bed, so you kind of just like keep your hands off of the sore cuticle. So yeah, so use this or some type of lotion that's unscented, that's very moisturizing, many times a day. Okay guys, many. When you wash your hands, put some on. When you wake up, put some on. Before you go to bed, put some on. Just put some on. You will not regret it. The Vaseline. Definitely put some on before bed. Really like take your time and rub it into the cuticles and also like the back side of your nails, because especially if you do like fake nails and stuff, it does get very dry under there. And another thing is like a cuticle oil. I ran out of mine, so weirdly enough, this is an e.l.f. It's a face oil, but I honestly like this better since I've started using it. It's like a mix of a couple of different oils that are like obviously safe for your face because it's for your face, but you know, it works really, really good, and it's in a little dropper. So sometimes I use this. I use this when I take off my gel excess, like I put a drop on and then I put the acetone in the little holders. I'm gonna film that next. That's gonna be my next video, but it just helps because the acetone is so drying to your skin. Just like adding a little bit of extra moisture when you're doing that, since you're gonna be sitting with the pads on your fingers getting drier and drier, you can help counteract that by using some oil. These do come obviously like made for nails, like go on Temu, go on Shein, whatever, because there can be kind of expensive other places. I just so happen to have this, but the little clicker pen type is what I had previously, and I really loved that. It was just really small, really easy to remember to use. But either way, don't forget to use this stuff, guys, because if you're not moisturizing, your skin is not magically going to heal itself. You need to help it, okay? And you need to be careful. Like, if you're using metal cuticle pushers, hurting yourself, you need to take it easy, okay? Before you do that, like, soak your hands so your cuticle skin is soft. But the point of this is for me to say, just give yourself a couple days break and like try this stuff, and you will be shocked at the difference that it makes in such a short time when you start implementing these really moisturizing things. How much your skin will thank you, how much better your hands will look, how much better it makes your nails look. And when you start doing this, it kind of becomes a habit, and it's a good habit. So there's no going wrong with adding this stuff. And if I was going to tell you to get literally one thing out of this, which I'm sure you already have some degree of these items, if you do not have this, definitely get this. This is number one for me. I love it so much. Again, only need a tiny bit, and this is going to change your skin, your cuticle health, and I'm pretty sure you're going to thank me. Now, I know this is so simple, but you know, I just thought it was something important to share with you guys, because it might help. And yeah, so take care of your cuticles, guys. Really, I know it's hard. I know it's hard to stop picking and biting. Like, I'm not perfect. We're all anxious and go through points where, you know, it just happens. So if you're in one of those times, there are ways to just help yourself, and yeah, and it's super cheap. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely look forward to my next upload, which is going to be how I remove my gel excess easily, as fast as possible, and while still trying to keep the skin moisturized. So I will see you guys in the next video.